Hello YouTube and welcome back to iTech Support. So today in this short video, I will be showing you how to reset your iPhone's RAM. So once you have a lot of apps running in the background and it's using up a lot of the RAM, it's gonna cause your device to slow down. So I'm gonna be showing you a quick little video how to get it to run a bit faster. So let's get straight to the point. First step is go ahead and open up your settings. From here, scroll down to accessibility, which is right here. Now from here, scroll down all the way to the bottom and add assistive touch. From here, open up your settings and then go down to general. And scroll all the way to the bottom and click shut down. Now open up your assistive touch and click and hold the home button until your passcode pops up. Go ahead and enter your passcode. And now your phone's RAM is reset and your phone should be running much smoother.